Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be telling you what you need to know about Reclaim AI. You see, Reclaim AI is an AI-powered scheduling and time management tool that is designed to help individuals and teams optimize their productivity and work-life balance. Now, the key features are smart scheduling. You can automatically find optimal times for tasks and meetings based on priority. It also has task management that helps to bridge the gap between your to-do list and calendars by scheduling tasks directly into your calendar. Then it also has habit tracking feature that helps to set recurring time blocks for personal and professional development, such as reading, skill building, or wellness activities. It also has time blocking that automatically schedules tasks and meetings based on availability, ensuring focused work periods and minimizing distractions. It also has a productivity insight feature. This will help provide detailed analytics and reports on time usage, helping identify areas for improvement and preventing burnout. The last feature it has is collaboration feature, which helps to coordinate team meetings and group activities, ensuring everyone is available and accounted for. Now, the benefits include saving of time due to automation, reducing of stress, and improved focus. That is, it enables you to concentrate on work periods. By minimizing context switching and boosting efficiency. Now, when it comes to integration, you can integrate into Google Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, Slack, Zoom, and task management platforms like Asana, Todoist, and Jira. When it comes to pricing, it offers a freemium pricing model with a free tier available. Also offers a paid plan that starts at $10 per month. Now, who others that can use this particular app are busy professionals, project managers, teams, and businesses that are looking to optimize productivity and collaboration. In summary, Reclaim AI aims to help users reclaim up to 40% of their work week by streamlining time management and boosting productivity. Its AI-driven scheduling capabilities prioritize tasks, meetings, and protects focus time, making it an invaluable tool for individuals and teams seeking to maximize their efficiency. If you belong to such category, what are you waiting for? Try out Reclaim AI today.